Okay, let's start the new structure. The structure is I am plus adjective. I am plus adjective. And I am plus V1 plus inform plus something. Let's see the usage of this structure. This structure is used to express to tell someone about yourself or to describe something to describe something that you are doing. This is the structure I am plus adjective or I am plus V1 plus inform. Okay, here I am using two combinations. That is I am plus adjective and another one is I am plus V1 plus inform. So actually what is the structure? What is the usage of this structure? The usage of this structure is used to express to tell someone about yourself, or to describe something that what you are doing. Okay, let's see some examples. I am feeling tired. I am feeling tired after a long journey. I am feeling tired after a long journey. I am excited to start. I am excited to start a new job. I am happy to see my old friends. I am happy to see my old friends. I am worried about I am worried about upcoming exams. I am proud of my achievements. I am proud of my achievements. I am grateful for my family. I am grateful for my family. I am enjoying this beautiful weather. I am enjoying this beautiful weather. See here, in the first 6 sentences, I have used I am after adjective. Here feeling, here excited, and here happy, here worried, here proud, here grateful. Whereas here I have used inform. Okay, I am enjoying. Okay, I am writing exam. I am writing exam. I am going to Hyderabad to meet my friend. I am going to Hyderabad to meet my friend. I am learning course to get the Stop. Just a minute. Okay. I am feeling anxious about the future. I am feeling anxious about the future. I am thrilled to be going on vacation soon. I am thrilled. I am determined to achieve my goals. I am determined. I am determined to achieve my goals. I am frustrated with the I am frustrated work. I am frustrated with his work. I am in hurry. I am in hurry to go to work. I am confident in my abilities. I am confident in my abilities. I am feeling sad after a breakfast. I am feeling sad. I am feeling sad after a breakup. I am amazed by the beauty of nature. I am amazed by the beauty of nature. I am inspired by the stories. I am inspired by the stories of people. I am feeling grateful for the I am feeling I am feeling grateful to my parents. I am helping the poor people, helping the poor who are in need. I am teaching a lesson in the class. I am going to abroad next month. I am learning a new skill. I am learning a new skill to upskill knowledge. I am grammar classes. Okay, thank you. Let's meet in the next lecture.